Unlock the power of words, expanding vocabulary for TOEFL listening. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into a crucial aspect of TOEFL listening preparation, expanding vocabulary. Words are the building blocks of language, and having a rich vocabulary can undoubtedly amplify your listening skills. Let's explore how. For the TOEFL listening section, understanding every word isn't mandatory, but knowing a wide range of vocabulary can significantly enhance your comprehension. By expanding your vocabulary. 1. Context clues. You can better use context clues to figure out unfamiliar words. 2. Accuracy. Your answers will be more accurate as you'll understand more of the content. 3. Confidence. It boosts your confidence, knowing you're well prepared. Let's get into the practical side. How do you actually expand your vocabulary? 1. Daily reading. Start with reading diverse materials, from newspapers to novels. While the TOEFL won't test you on very specialized vocabulary, familiarizing yourself with a variety of words can help in understanding the main idea or details of a conversation. 2. Flashcards. Create flashcards with new words you encounter. Write the definition on one side and the word on the other. Review these regularly. 3. Word journals. Keep a notebook where you jot down new words, their meanings, and example sentences. Revisit this journal often. 4. Engage with English media. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, or TV shows. This exposes you to colloquial language and different accents, which can be beneficial for the TOEFL listening section. 5. Practice with synonyms. TOEFL often uses synonyms in the questions or answer choices to paraphrase the listening material. Make a habit of learning synonyms for common words. It's essential to remember that vocabulary isn't just about rote memorization. 1. Use in sentences. Whenever you learn a new word, try to use it in a few sentences. This ensures you understand its practical application. 2. Engage in discussions. Join English language discussion groups or forums. Engaging in discussions helps reinforce your vocabulary understanding. 3. Think in English. Try to think in English during your daily activities. This practice helps in internalizing the words you've learned. Expanding vocabulary is like collecting tools for a toolbox. The more tools you have, the better equipped you are to tackle any challenge. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to acing the TOEFL listening section. Keep practicing, keep learning, and all the best on your TOEFL journey. See you in the next video.